Well, take a look at this little fella. This is his first day out. We think it's his first day out anyway. And he seems to be pretty happy with us around. Certainly the mother is. You can just see a little one in the back there. I don't want to startle them. It seems quite happy.
He's just up at the carrot.
Yeah, this is the other mother over here. And her baby, there you go. Just popped its head out. So it'll only be a day or so before this one's running around as well. So there's no males around this year for some reason. Some of the big bullies. And so they're quite comfortable. Look at a little face on this one. Very cute. There we go. Ooh.
Oh.
So she went up to the other mother.
Oh, wrong mother.
Wrong mother.
That's funny. Just a bit of carrot.
So there you go. Life for our little furry creatures at Woodbridge Hill Cottage.
I would love to get into that garden.